can't say I was that surprised because like some similar things like that have happened before. Like, I mean, with Larry Nassar and the administration covering up, what he did, and now this.
These words from a Michigan State University student will stop you in your tracks. The dark cloud over the school growing immensely tonight. It is our top story.
It's another big blow for MSU tonight. A heavy-hitting lawsuit alleges 3 basketball players raped a student in 2015, and the university actively encouraged the woman not to report it to police.
7 Action News reporter Brianne Palmerini live in East Lansing tonight to explain the serious accusations and implications here. Brianne?
Well, Dave and Glenda, this lawsuit, the talk of students here at MSU tonight. This incident involves 3 basketball players and a current student, and the lawsuit does not name any of them, but instead it calls out MSU, the institution, for violating Title IX. The lawsuit alleges that 3 unnamed basketball players took turns raping an unnamed female student back in 2015. The players had just returned to campus after losing in the Final Four. The student alleges she was tricked into going to an off-campus apartment with the promise of a party, and she believes she was drugged. In the lawsuit, she reports she was held down and raped from behind by all 3. The woman is still a student on campus.
She's doing as well as could be expected for someone that has gone through something like this. She's strong, she's smart, and she's moving on with her life.
Her attorney says Michigan State University failed to take action, and counselors encouraged her not to report the crime to police. The allegation reading, quote, "Plaintiff was told by Michigan State University Counseling Center staff that they had seen a lot of cases with guys with big names, and the best thing to do is just get yourself better," implying to the plaintiff that it would not be in the plaintiff's best interest to report the incident to law enforcement.
She was essentially discouraged from pursuing it and was not given the support and guidance that she was entitled.
Students on campus that I spoke with say they're disappointed to hear about this, but they say that's how it works when it comes to student athletes.
Honestly, I can't say I was that surprised because like some similar things like that have happened before. Like, I mean, with Larry Nassar and the administration covering up, what he did, and now this.
We as students aren't being prioritized.
But they do hope this lawsuit will prompt change.
When situations like this are, brought to light, it definitely helps things out in the future, and, I really hope it does.
I did reach out to the university for a comment tonight. A spokesperson says the university will not be making a comment at this time. Now, as far as whether there will be any criminal charges for these basketball players, it will be up to a prosecutor's office or even the student involved to seek out those charges. Now, this federal lawsuit does demand a jury trial. Live in East Lansing, Brianne Palmerini, 7 Action News.
All right, thank you, Brianne. And coming in at number 2.